All right, number 11, we're trying to prove that two triangles are congruent. So that means we're going to have to find one of our triangle congruent conjectures that works. And it gives us that triangle ITP. Now, looking at this, it's natural for us to want to try and make ITP congruent to ERP over here. But we got to make sure we get all the pieces in the right spot, or all the angles in the right order, and we got to make sure that we actually have a valid congruent statement. So the first thing I'm going to look at is that these two angle P's are congruent because they are vertical angles. I also notice that triangle TRP down here is isosceles because I have two congruent angles, and then that also tells me that since the base angles are congruent, then the legs are also congruent. So now looking at this triangle, I appear to have an angle-angle side and angle-angle side. So I do have an angle-angle side relationship, so the two triangles are congruent to each other. Now I got to put everything in the right order, and marked angles are always the easiest to do first. I is in the first position, and its congruent angle E also goes in the first position. Now angle P is congruent to angle P, so since P is last, then P is going to be last. And my last one, T, is in the middle, and R is going to correspond to it. So there we go. Triangle ITP is congruent to triangle ERP by the angle-angle side conjecture.